Good afternoon. Welcome to AMI Day 1. Um, it has been brought to my attention that some folks have forgot how to do this skill. We learned this a couple of topics back when we were dividing decimals. If you're doing a bunch of math, you're doing too much. So I thought I'd hop on and refresh your memory real quick. Because this looks like a lot if you are like actually adding and dividing or multiplying and dividing all that out. But if you remember, our exponents with the decimals, this operation here, so we have division, we have multiplication, tells you which direction to go with the decimal. With division, you are going to go to the left. With multiplication, you're going to the right. And this is going to tell you how many place values. This is the exponent, right? The exponent tells you how many places that decimal point is going to move. Your operation tells you which direction to move it. So in number 1 is 489 and 22 hundredths divided by 10 to the 4th power. So we are going to move that decimal to the left 4 place values. Ready? So put your pencil on there and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Make your decimal and you'll see we have an empty spot here. We put a 0 there. So your answer is decimal point 0, 4, 8, 9, 2, 2. I'm not going to attempt to say that number. And then over here, multiplication is opposite. This tells you are going to move that decimal point 3 spaces. This tells you you're going to do it to the right, or the multiplication says to the right. So we're going 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 18. There we go. You don't have to put the decimal there. If you want to, you can put it there with a placeholder, but your answer is 18,995. So let's do this one down here. Let's do number 6. Because this one you're going to have to add a 0. So the exponent tells you you're going to move 4 place values. The multiplication tells you are going to the right. So you are going to, let me rewrite it down here. You're going to go 4 place values to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have a place here. We're going to add a 0, which makes your final answer 1,637,610. 610. All right, we will do one more division. Let's do this one here. 4 places. Division, so you're going to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are 1, 2, 3 spaces with no number, so we're going to add zeros into there. So your final answer is this, and again, I'm not going to attempt to say that number, but this is your final answer. I hope that refreshed your memory a little bit, and I hope you haven't already done it and done a bunch of like this, and then not even know what to do with that. So hopefully this refreshed your memory to how we do this, and you can get through it fairly quickly. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to shoot me an email. And have a good day. Hopefully I will see you tomorrow.